as the giant of Africa. It shines even brighter as the continent's biggest democracy. You should be proud of that. Not dot, that, or thing, because you didn't win the election. You are a patriotic citizen. Be helpful to our integrity, character, and reputation. We have created the biggest democracy as Nigerians. We should be proud of that. I thank all of you who supported my campaign. Most especially President Muhammadu Buhari, GCFR, for his commitment and dedication to the cause of our democracy. He is indeed a true patriot. I must also thank his wife. It is the entire family. They were on this election. They keep their eyes on the ball, committed, patriotic, loyal, and firm.